Okay, we're back again, and it looks like they've got some electricity on. This piece of concrete was broken, so they're taking it out. They're going to replace it. So they've got an outside light, got a front door. We're going to change this front door out, but for now, it'll have to do. Go in the bedroom, got a ceiling fan. Some of the electricity is on, some of it's not. I figure in another week they'll have it on. Like the closet has electricity and no electricity in this bathroom. And then, of course, down the hallway here, electricity, a little storage area. And they've put the light fixtures in the hallway. Okay, in the living room, they've put a ceiling fan. They still have to put a light kit. These lights aren't working yet. And we've got the lights here. This is the dining room. And the kitchen has the lights on. Powder room, pantry. And then we've got 3 of these lights here. And the granite's on. I don't think the granite was on the last time we videoed. Got the cutout for the stove. Like I said, they're still working on electricity. So let's go up to the 3rd floor. More lights in the stairwell. Okay, in the 3rd floor, got a ceiling fan, no light kit. Still have to install that. And this is new since the last time we were here. They've got the floor tile down, and the granite's on, and the shower enclosure. More granite. And a lot of light. Look at all these lights I have in the closet. So I'm very happy with this. And now we're in the hallway going down to the laundry room. I started tiling. Still haven't completed it. Of course, got some work to do on the doors and things like that. So it's looking pretty good. 2 lights in here. And some of the windows are replaced. We had several broken ones. Got electricity in this mechanical room, storage room, whatever you want to call it. Light in the bathroom, still has tile to go. This is Nina's YouTube studio. Has ceiling fan and light. Back out. This is a game room. Got lights in here. It's looking pretty good. So let me go downstairs and show you the garage real quick. Okay, back down on the 1st floor. This storage area here. Garage door is up. Some of the breakers are in now. And you got another light here, 3-car garage. Okay, at the back of the house, you got a light here. You got a light over the garage door. And here's the look going up. And the garage door. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you watch the next one. Thanks for watching.